Hello guys, welcome to my class. Welcome to my channel RK Tutorials. So we are in the class 15th now. In the previous class we have seen how to adjust the time of operation of the relay, that is nothing but the time setting multiplier. Now let us see a solved problem today. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and do watch the previous classes so that you will have a clear picture about the content which I am explaining. Now look at this. A radial distribution system. So I've already explained what is radial distribution system. There will be only one source at one end and a load at the other side. Is protected by an overcurrent relay protection scheme. Using CT ratio is 400 by 5. CT ratio is given, that is 400 by 5. And the relay setting is 120 percentage. Relay setting is also given. It is a full load current. Relay setting is 120 percentage of the full load current. Now he is asking to calculate the pickup current of the relay. What is pickup current? That is nothing but relay pickup value or pickup current or plug setting all are same. So next PSM, if fault current is 4800 amps. Okay. Now calculate actual time of operation of the relay in seconds if time setting multiplier 0.3 and IDMT characteristics of the relay is given by the table. So now let us calculate one by one. First let us calculate the first one, pickup current of the relay. So what is pickup current of the relay? Let us see what is pickup current of the relay. So coming to the solution, A, pickup current nothing but RPV. We might be knowing the formula for pickup current. What is the pickup current formula? So it is the relay setting multiplied by rating of the relay coil. So relay setting is given, that is here it is clearly given relay setting is 120 percentage of full load current. So that is 120 by 100 multiplied by rating of the relay. So what is the how the rating of the relay here? Rating of the relay is not given. So if the rating of the relay is not given, simply take the secondary of the CT as rating of the relay. So now on simple arithmetics you will get 6 as RPV. Relay pickup value is 6. So I hope you get this, that is amps. Now if you go to the second solution, is asking to calculate the PSM. The fault current is 4800 amps. So we know that the formula for PSM is fault current on primary over CT ratio multiplied by relay pickup value. That is fault current is given, that is 4800 amps over CT ratio is given, that is 400 by 5 multiplied by RPV. Just now we have calculated, that is 6. So on simple arithmetics again 412 times 6 ones 2 times, so you will get 10. So PSM is 10. Now we got this, and RPV also we got. Relay pickup value nothing but the pickup current of the relay or pickup current. Now let us look at the third. C. Here he is asking to calculate the actual time of operation of the relay in seconds if TFSM nothing but the time setting multiplier is 0.3. IDMT characteristics of the relay given in a table, that is here. So we got the PSM as 10 in the previous problem. Here we got the PSM 10. So for the 10, the time of operation specified by the manufacturer is 3. So we know that time setting multiplier is given by time of operation of relay time of operation of relay, I mean actual time of operation of relay over time of operation of relay specified by the manufacturer at PSM. Here the PSM is 10. So the time of operation of the relay specified by the manufacturer is as we got the PSM 10, so it is 3. And we know the TSM is also, we know this, we can easily find this. So actual time of operation is given by TSM multiplied by actual, it is the time of operation specified by the manufacturer at the given PSM. So nothing but time of TSM is given 0.3. So here it is mentioned 0.3 multiplied by time of operation of the manufacturer, that is from the table. So for the PSM 10 we got 3. So here we have 3 here. So actual time of operation is 0.9 seconds. So this is the solution for the third, and this is the solution for the second, and this is the solution for the first. Hope you understood this. A simple problem. Still, if you are facing any inconvenience, please notice me through your comments, and like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you very much. Signing off.